வணக்கம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். கணிதம் கடினம் அல்ல. Maths is not difficult. Only thing, the way of preparation. This is the important rule when we do mathematics. Regular practice, periodical test, self-evaluation. These are the things to achieve quantum in mathematics. Once again, I'll tell you, whenever we complete any topic, go through the topic, practice, practice, practice. Then write. Then only you are confident in the subject. The next important topic in 6th chapter, that is partial differentiation. So you'll expect one question from this exercise, maybe 6-mark question or 10-mark question. So already we studied differentiation. Now we have to think about partial differentiation. The word partiality means concentrate only one thing, more than one thing appear. எதாவது ஒண்ணுக்கு மேல இருந்ததுன்னா you have to concentrate only one. Let us consider the function f. F having the variables x, y, z. If you want to find out partial differentiation of f with respect to x, that is dou f by dou x. Partial differentiation of f with respect to x. Dou, not d. D means ordinary differentiation. This is partial differentiation. When we differentiate with respect to x, y and z are constant. Y and z மாறிலிகளா நினைச்சுக்கணும், நம்பர் மாதிரி கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கணும். Dou f by dou y, when we differentiate with respect to y, x and z are constant. Dou f by dou z, x and y are constant. So dou square f means dou by dou x of dou. This answer once again differentiate with respect to x. Same way dou square f by dou y square means dou by dou y of dou f by dou y. Suppose dou square f by dou x dou y, dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. First you have to differentiate with respect to y. That answer differentiate with respect to x. What type of differentiation? Partial differentiation. Suppose dou square f by dou y dou x, dou by dou y of dou f by dou x. So both are equal in the result. But way of differentiation is totally different. Here first you have to differentiate with respect to y. That answer differentiate with respect to x. Dou square f by dou y dou x means first you have to differentiate with respect to x, then differentiate with respect to y. Now let us consider one example. F is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Here f having 3 variables, 3 மாறிகளை கொண்டுள்ளது. Dou f by dou x, x cube differentiate பண்ணீங்கன்னா 3x square. Here no x, that's why this is constant. Differentiation of constant is 0. This is also 0. Here x is there. Differentiation of x is 1. 3yz constant. Keep the constant as it is. That's why 3y is there. இப்போ dou f by dou y என்ன வரும் பாருங்க, யோசிச்சு பாருங்க. Dou f by dou y. இங்க y இல்ல. There is no y, that's why 0. Here y is there. That's why differentiate. 3y square plus 0 minus 3x is z. Because differentiation of y is 1. Suppose if you want to find out dou f by dou z, here no z, 0. Here no z, 0. Here z is there. Differentiation of z is 1. 3xy constant. Keep the constant as it is. Is it clear? So this is the procedure to find partial differentiation. Now we start exercise number 6.3. Take exercise number 6.3, question number 1. Verify dou square u by dou x dou y equal to dou square u by dou y dou x. In question number 1, there are 4 subdivisions given, except first one, remaining are 10 mark questions. So first one, u equal to x square plus 3xy plus y square. If you want to find out dou square u by dou x dou y, first you have to find out dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y. என்ன வரும் பாருங்க, here no y, 0. Here y is there. Differentiation of y is 1. 3x constant with respect to y. That's why 3x into 1. Y square differentiation is 2y. Then dou square u by dou x dou y. You want to calculate dou square u by dou x dou y. This is nothing but dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. Dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. This dou u by dou y answer differentiate with respect to x. This result differentiate with respect to x. Here no x, here only x, that differentiation of 3x is 3. This is the value of dou square u by dou x dou y. Next you have to find out the second part, right hand side. First we have to calculate dou u by dou x. U differentiate with respect to x. Here x is there. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x, because with respect to x. With respect to x, x differentiation is 1. 1 into 3y is 3y. Here no x, that's why 0. Next what we have to calculate? Dou by dou y of dou u by dou x. This answer differentiate with respect to y. Here no y, that's why 0. Here y is that, differentiation of 3y is 3. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. See the values, both are same. Therefore, dou square u by dou x dou y equal to dou square u by dou y dou x. Dou square u by dou x dou y equal to dou square u by dou y dou x. Hence proved. First given u, you have to find out dou u by dou y. That answer differentiate with respect to x. Then find out dou u by dou x. That answer differentiate with respect to y. Both are same. Except this problem in question number 1, remaining problems are 10 mark questions. Now, let us consider the second question. U equal to x by y square minus y by x square. That is the problem given. What is the first part? Dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y. X is constant, y square, 1 by y square, we know 1 by x power n formula minus n by x power n plus 1. Same method, 2, that is minus 2x by y power 2 plus 1 is 3. Here y is in numerator, that's why differentiate directly. Differentiation of y is 1 by x square. The first part over. Next, we have to differentiate with respect to x. Dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. So, this answer differentiate with respect to x. 2x differentiation is 2 minus 2 by y cube. But x is in denominator. If x is in denominator, this 2 goes numerator, plus 2 becomes minus 2, already minus there, plus 2 divided by x cube. This is the first part of the problem. What is the second part? You have to find out dou u by dou x first. U, x is in numerator. Numerator means directly you can differentiate 1 by y square. But x is in denominator. 2 goes to numerator minus 2. That is plus 2y divided by x cube. Using the formula 1 by x power n. The second part, dou by dou y of dou u by dou x. This answer differentiate with respect to y. This is in the form of 1 by x power n minus n by x power n plus 1 minus 2 by y power 2 plus 1 is 3. 2y differentiation is 2 by x cube. So, equation number 2. Both are equal, therefore, once again we will write the same result. Dou square u by dou x dou y equal to dou square u by dou y dou x. Is it clear? The third one, u equal to sin 3x cos 4y. Sin 3x cos 4y. First you have to write, you have to find out dou u by dou y. With respect to y, x is constant, keep the constant as it is. Differentiation of y, cos 4y is minus sin 4y. Differentiation of 4y is 4. With respect to y, don't touch x. Only you have to differentiate y. Now, rewrite minus 4 sin 3x sin 4y. Then answer differentiate with respect to x. Dou u by dou y. With respect to x, y is constant, only you have to differentiate sin. Differentiation of sin is cos 3x into 3 sin 4y. Therefore, minus 12 cos 3x sin 4y. Same way, you have to find out the right hand side, definitely you get the same result. Same way, you have to find out dou by dou y of dou u by dou x. Try, definitely you will get the same result, minus 12 cos 3x sin 4y. So, first dou u by dou y, listen carefully, dou u by dou y. With respect to y, don't touch x. Only differentiate cos 4y minus sin 4y. Differentiation of 4y is 4. Multiply, you'll get this result. That answer differentiate with respect to x. Dou by dou x of dou u by dou y minus 4 sin 3x is cos 3x into 3. That sin 4y keep as it is. When we multiply, we'll get this result. Same way, we'll try the right hand side. Definitely, we'll get the result. Is it clear? In question number 1, the last question is the important one. U equal to question number 1, subdivision number 4. U equal to tan inverse of x by y. What we have to do? Dou u by dou x y first. What is the differentiation of tan inverse x? Tan inverse x differentiation, just to recollect, 1 by, very good, 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. Then differentiation of y. Y is in denominator. X is constant. Differentiation of 1 by y is minus 1 by y square. Now taking LCM, y square plus x square by y square into minus x by y square. So when we go y square cancel, minus x by x square plus y square. Dou u by dou y. Next you have to find out dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. This is in the form of u by v. U by v differentiation, v u dash. Differentiation of numerator with respect to x is minus 1. Minus u minus of minus x plus x. B dash with respect to x, x square differentiation is 2x. Differentiation of y square is 0 by v square. B u dash minus u v dash. Multiply minus x square minus y square plus 2x square by x square plus y square of whole square. 2x square minus x square, therefore dou square u by dou x dou y equal to x square minus y square by x square plus y square of whole square. Next you have to find out the second part, dou u by dou x first. Tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. Then differentiation of x with respect to x. X is the numerator. That's why 1 by y. Taking LCM and simplify, we'll get y square by x square plus y square into 1 by y. Y cancel. That is the dou u by dou x. So dou u by dou x equal to y by x square plus y square. Next, what we have to do? Dou square u by dou y dou x. Dou y dou x. That means this answer differentiate with respect to y. X square plus y square, differentiation of y with respect to y is 1 minus y into, that is 2y divided by x square plus y square of whole square. Now, dou square u by dou y dou x equal to, when we multiply and simplify, we will get x square minus y square by x square plus y square of whole square. Therefore, from 1 and 2, dou square u by dou x dou y equal to dou square u by dou y dou x. The same way, some examples given, just will try. If you have any doubt, clarify in the class. U, dou u by dou y, tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. With respect to y, y is in denominator, therefore x by y differentiation is minus x by y square. Then, dou u by dou y, simplify, will get this result. That answer differentiate with respect to x. This is in the form of u by v. V u dash minus u v dash by v square. When we simplify, we'll get this result. Same way, dou u by dou x, dou square u by dou y dou x, calculate, we'll get the same result. I think the important question, exercise number 6.3, subdivision number, question number 1, subdivision number 2, 3, 4 are 10 marks. The next one is chain rule for independent variables. Dependent variables are both are different. Chain rule for two variables. Suppose, let us consider the function u equal to f of xy. U equal to f of xy is differentiable. X and y are the differentiable functions of t. X is equal to function of t, y equal to another function of t, g of t. X and y is the differentiable function of t. Then, if you want to find out u is a differential function of t, you have to find out du by dt. U is a differential function of t. Now, u equal to f of x comma y, g of t, h of t, some function of t. F of x comma y. Now, u has two variables x, y. X is a function of t, y is also a function of t. This is dou u by dou x. This is dou u by dou y. X க்கு t direct இருக்கு, அதனால dx by dt. This is dy by dt. If you want to find out du by dt is equal to dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt. Suppose three variables given, u equal to f of x comma y comma z. Same method, u having three variables x, y, z. Then x is a function of differentiable of t, y is also differential of t, z. This is dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. Dx by dt, dy by dt, dz by dt. Then the formula du by dt equal to dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt plus dou u by dou z into dz by dt. If two variables given, du by dt equal to dou u by dou x into dx by dt, this is differentiation of u with respect to t. Here also we have to find out differentiation of u with respect to t. U having two variables x, y, z, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. X, y, z having single variable t, that's why dx by dt, dy by dt, dz by dt. This is chain rule for two variables and three variables. The next one, chain rule for partial derivatives. Chain rule for partial derivatives. For example, u is a function of xy, w is a function of xy, u equal to x is equal to function of uv, y is equal to function of uv. W equal to function of xy, W equal to function of uv, u equal to function of xy, and h is also, v equal to h of xy. Here the partial differentiation of dou w by dou u and dou w by dou v. So w is a function of x, uv, u and v is a function of x. This is dou w by dou u by dou x, dou w by dou v by dou x. So partial differentiation of w with respect to x, dou w by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou w by dou v into dou v by dou x. The same, w is a function of uv, but u and v is also function of y. Therefore, dou w by dou u by dou y, dou w by dou v by dou y. Here we can write dou w by dou y equal to dou w by dou u into dou u by dou y plus dou w by dou v into dou v by dou y. Listen carefully. W is a function of uv, u is a function of xy, v is also function of xy, w is dependent variable u and v, u is dependent variable xy, v is dependent variable xy, there is no independent variable. That's why we can consider chain rule for partial derivatives. W is a function of uv, u and v also function of x, dou w by dou u by dou x, dou w by dou v by dou x, write the chain rule for dou w by dou x. Same way dou w by dou y. So out of these two concepts, definitely you will expect one 6-mark question in the public. So here chain rule for derivatives, that is chain rule for partial derivatives. ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் difference பாத்துங்க. இது chain rule for derivative, அது chain rule for partial derivative. Just formula மட்டும் ஞாபகம் வச்சுங்க. That is enough. Sum number 3 in exercise number 6.3. There are 4 problems given. First one, W equal to e power xy. X is equal to t square, y is equal to t cube. We have to find out dw by dt. W is the dependent variable xy, x and y are independent variable t. So dw by dt, you know the formula, dou w by dou x into dx by dt plus dou w by dou y into dy by dt. Now, first you have to find out dou w by dou x. E power x differentiation, e power x only. E power xy. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, 1 into y is y. Same way dou w by dou y, e power xy into x. Dx by dt, differentiation of t square differentiation is 2t. Dy by dt, differentiation of t cube is 3t square. மறுபடியும் கவனிங்க, dou w by dou x, e power xy, differentiation of xy with respect to x is y. E power xy with respect to y is x. Dx by dt, dy by dt. But what we have to calculate? dw by dt is equal to dou w by dou x value e power xy into y, dx by dt is 2t. E power xy into x, that is 3t square. Which is common? E power xy common. 2yt plus 3xt square. Just substitute. dw by dt is equal to e power x is t square, y is t cube. 2 y is t cube into t plus 3 x is t square into t square. T square into t cube. When we multiply, add the power. E t power 5. E t power 5. This is 2t power 4 plus 3t power 4 is 5t power 4. That's one. Now, second sum, same method we will try. W equal to log of x square plus y square. What is dou w by dou x? 1 by x square plus y square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Dou w by dou x equal to 2x by x square plus y square. Same way you can find out dou w by dou y. 2y by x square plus y square. Dx by dt, e power t differentiation is e power t. Dy by dt, e power minus t differentiation, e power minus t into minus 1, that is minus e power minus t. After that, just substitute and simplify, you will get the result. The answer becomes e power 2t minus e power minus 2t divided by e power 2t plus e power minus 2t. 2. Now, 2. Just substitute and simplify. The third one, somewhat difficult, I will do it. W equal to x by x square plus y square. X is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t. First, we have to find out dou w by dou x. This is in the form of uv. V square v into differentiation of u, x is 1, minus u into differentiation of v, x square differentiation is 2x. When we multiply and simplify, we will get y square minus x square by x square plus y square of whole square. The second part, dou w by dou y, same way, using u by v, x square plus y square, there is no y, 0, minus x, differentiation of y square is 2y by x square plus y square of whole square. That equal to minus 2xy divided by x square plus y square of whole square. Now, using the formula dw by dt is equal to dou w by dou x into dx by dt plus dou w by dou y into dy by dt. Parallelly, you have to calculate dx by dt. Cos t differentiation is minus sin t right here. Dy by dt. So, dx by dt, dy by dt you have to calculate. Dx by dt value is cos t differentiation is minus sin t. Dy by dt, sin t differentiation is cos t. Now substitute. dw by dt is equal to dou w by dou x value y square minus x square by x square plus y square of whole square minus sin t plus erase பண்ணிடுறேன். Dou w by dou v minus 2xy by x square plus y square of whole square, that is cos t. I'll do it here. There is no place. dw by dt. What is the value of y and x? X is cos t, y is sin t. Therefore, sin square t minus cos square t by into minus sin t by cos square t plus sin square t whole square minus 2 x is cos t, y is sin t into cos t, denominator cos square t plus sin square t whole square. But we know that cos square t plus sin square t is 1, denominator 1, 1 square is 1. Just multiply numerator, minus sin cube t plus cos square t sin t minus 2 cos square t sin t minus sin cube t minus cos square t sin t, because my cos square t sin t minus 2 cos square t sin t is minus cos square t sin t. Minus sin t common taken out. Sin square t plus cos square t, the answer is minus sin t. This is dw by dt. The next last question, w equal to, so is it clear? First dou w by dou x கண்டுபிடிக்கிறீங்க, dou w by dou y calculate பண்றீங்க, dx by dt, dy by dt, write the formula, substitute and simplify. That is enough. The last question, same method we will try. First we have to find out dou w by dou x. If we calculate dou w by dou x, xy differentiation is y. Dou w by dou y, xy differentiation with respect to y, x. Dou w by dou z, z differentiation is 1. Dx by dt, cos t differentiation is minus sin t. Dy by dt, sin t differentiation is cos t. Dz by dt, differentiation of t is 1. Then using the formula, dw by dt is equal to dou w by dou x into dx by dt plus dou w by dou y into dy by dt plus dou w by dou z into dz by dt. Substitute and simplify, we get this result. The next question number 4. This is also a very important question. So most probably repeatedly they will ask 1 6 mark from question number 3 and 4, that concept. Question number 4, what is given? W equal to log of x square plus y square, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Find dou w by dou r and dou w by dou theta. உங்க bookல q னு கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க, அது theta னு மாத்திங்க. Here w is a function of xy, x is a function of r and theta, y is a function of r and theta. We can't able to use chain rule for differentiation. We can use chain rule for partial differentiation. So dou w by dou r formula, dou w by dou x into dou x by dou r plus dou w by dou y into dou y by dou r. What is dou w by dou x? X square is 1 by x square plus y square. Differentiation of w with respect to x, that is 2x. Same way dou w by dou y, 1 by x square plus y square into 2y. Then dou x by dou r, with respect to r is 1, 1 into cos theta, cos theta. Dou x by dou theta, with respect to theta, r is constant. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. That's why minus r sin theta. Same way dou y by dou r, differentiation is 1, that is sin theta. Dou y by dou theta, that is r cos theta. So what is the formula to find dou w by dou r? Dou w by dou r equal to dou w by dou x. What is dou w by dou x? 2x by x square plus y square into dou x by dou r. Dou x by dou r value is cos theta plus dou w by dou y is 2y x square plus y square, that is sin theta. Denominator is common, but we know that what is x? R cos theta whole square plus r sin theta whole square, 2r cos theta into cos theta, 2r sin theta into sin theta. 2r common, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, r square common, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, 2r by r square is 2 by r. Same way you can find out dou w by, this is dou w by dou r, dou w by dou theta. Dou w by dou theta formula, dou w by dou x into dou x by dou theta, dou w by dou y into dou y by dou theta. We know that dou w by dou x, 2x by x square plus y square. This is minus r sin theta. 2y by x square plus y square. This is 2r cos theta. Already we know that the denominator x square plus y square, when we simplify, we'll get r square. 2x is r cos theta minus r sin theta. 2 r sin theta, that is r cos theta, minus 2 r square cos theta sin theta plus 2 r square cos theta sin theta by r square. So plus minus 0. Once again listen, this is very, very important problem. Dou w by dou r, using the formula dou w by dou x into dou x by dou r plus dou w by dou y into dou y by dou r. Dou w by dou x, log of x square plus y square, that is 1 by x square plus y square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. 1 by x square plus y square, differentiation of y square is 2y. Dou x by dou r, differentiation is 1, 1 into cos theta, cos theta. Dou x by dou theta, that is minus r sin theta. Dou y by dou r, sin theta. Dou y by dou theta, r cos theta. We have to find out dou w by dou r. What is the formula? Dou w by dou x into dou x by dou r, dou w by dou y into dou y by dou r. Just substitute. Substitute x is equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Get this result. 2 are common, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. R square common, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, that is 2 by r. Dou w by dou theta is equal to dou w by dou x into dou x by dou theta plus dou w by dou y into dou y by dou theta. Dou w by dou x value is this, dou x by dou theta. Dou w by dou y by dou theta. Just x replaced by r cos theta. Denominator, that is r square. When we multiply, it gets this result. So plus minus becomes 0. So this is the chain rule for partial derivative. Previously we see no, that is chain rule for derivative. If you know this concept, definitely you get 1 6-mark question in the public. The same way, some of the problems left we discuss in the next class. But only thing, practice, practice, practice. Then only feel easy. See you in the next class.